Living in the southwestern United States, we're all too familiar with wildfires. The combination of very dry air and vegetation, along with gusty winds, can cause hundreds to even thousands of acres of land to burn, even from just a single spark. Once a fire is extinguished, one danger ends and a new danger awakens. This new danger is called a debris flow and can be more dangerous than the fire itself. By definition, a debris flow is a moving mass of loose rock, soil, water, and any other loose material that travels down a slope under the influence of gravity. They most commonly occur over areas recently burned by wildfire during heavy rainfall. You may be wondering, why does this occur? After a wildfire, the landscape left behind is barren and void of most vegetation and trees that would normally hold the soil in place. The soil after a fire becomes hydrophobic, which means it is much less capable of absorbing water. Watch what happens when I pour some water on this recently burned soil. Notice that the water does not get absorbed by the soil, but instead runs down the slope. This is what happens during a debris flow, but on a much larger scale with much more material. All it takes for a debris flow to occur is heavy rainfall within a short period of time. This can occur during the summer monsoon when a thunderstorm develops over a recently burned area on steep terrain. Due to the hydrophobic nature of the soil, water will rapidly travel downhill and pick up a dense mixture of loose rocks, soil, and other debris, including large boulders, and will run over everything in its path. Debris flows are extremely powerful, dangerous, and can occur suddenly. They can travel upwards of 30 miles an hour, if not more, and are impossible to outrun or drive through. They can travel for miles downslope and inundate roads and highways. If you are caught in a debris flow, it can kill you. Debris flows can be several feet to even meters tall and are able to destroy buildings and vehicles with their incredible power. If you live in an area below a recent burn scar, the potential for debris flows is high whenever there's a chance of thunderstorms and heavy rain. Be sure to pay attention to the forecast, especially if a flash flood watch or warning is issued by the National Weather Service. Have a way to receive warnings, whether that be from your TV, smartphone, or NOAA weather radio. Make sure to listen to local officials about actions you can take to protect your life and property in advance of a debris flow. Gather any important items and documents beforehand and be prepared to leave in the event you are asked to evacuate. Taking these precautions is essential to keeping yourself safe in case a debris flow occurs.